I am Aswin Philip Abraham. I am a business analyst at Beinex Consulting. I look forward to starting a career in data science and analytics, and when I came across this program, found it to be very relevant and useful. The program was well structured and organized, covering a vast variety of topics within a short span of time. You get hands-on experience with real-time industry exposure. Mentorship offered is of great value. Senior colleagues were always happy to help and guide. Altogether, it helps in improving your overall skill set. You will get an idea of how to contribute individually as well as a team player. Broadly, it helped in upskilling by leaps and bounds. The learning curve was very much smooth as a lot of concepts and skills were acquired. Got a clear idea of what the industry is demanding and made me job ready.